Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Let's get right into it. We're working on the Morphe 18A, Blew You Away, because I'm about to blow your ass away with this look right here. That's the first transition color. Big Bird. Well, I hope y'all liking the tutorial so far. These are 25mm mink lashes from my lash line Royalty Lashes. Lash style name is called Trap Queen. So yes, you have to measure it before you go ahead and glue it on. Please go ahead and customize those before you glue them on. Like literally trim them, because people really be thinking like straight out the package you can do that. Please don't do that. Please don't. Even if you think it's the same length you still have to trim them. Okay? Go ahead and put some mascara on. I believe the mascara is by Benefit. They're magnet. And then I always use INV Super Strong Pro Glue. It go on white, but it dry clear. Right there. Bam. I got you. That's how I put them stars on there too. Just a little thin line. Sometimes I get carried away. Or you can put on a lash band. It's your preference. Don't come for me. Don't come for nobody that does that. It's your preference. As long as them lashes stay on, baby. Okay? Because see, what happened was I went to the beach yesterday and my lashes stayed on all day. Even with getting up in the water. And that water tried to take me down at the beach. But anyways, even if y'all don't like the video, if you like the video, thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for the views. Royalty Lashes is here to stay. We have all kind of lashes for you, all kind of colors, all kind of lengths. 17mm's, gosh, 22s, 25s, 30s. Like, we in here. Especially if you trying to show off for the summertime, baby. Like, stuff is open. What you doing? Like, come on. But anyway, this is from a live makeup tutorial I did on Facebook, and I just edited and chopped it up and put it over here for YouTube so y'all can see. This is a double cut crease with some glitter and some stars, baby, because I'm a star. They just don't know it yet. Get it. Big purr. I don't know what the hell I was saying right there. Besides I'm gonna end the live or some shit like that probably. I love y'all. Don't let this video flop. You know I'm out here color coordinating. You can coordinate too. Don't be out here looking reckless and I'm up there trying to fix y'all up. Royalty Lashes, follow me on TikTok, Snapchat. I'm everywhere. Alright? Big purse. Stop sleeping on me. That's what I'm saying. I probably was freestyling right there. Alright, until next time. Bye. Oh, your lash is too loud up on my glasses. Oh, I don't know how to put them on. Anything in life, don't you try at it? Oh my gosh, a fucking phone call. I was trying to do one motivational speaks.